Once again, good morning to everyone. And in the last session, we have discussed some numericals based upon the mirror formula and magnification.
सर का जो 6 7
Magnification. And then now let us go for the next problem. In our first chapter, reflection of light at curved surfaces. Our next problem, let us see. An object 5 centimeters in length. 5 centimeters in length means what he has given? What is being given? Height of the object will represent by HO is equals to 5 centimeters and held from a convex mirror is given here. Convex mirror at a distance of 20 centimeters. At a distance of 20 centimeters, what is given here? Object distance. So let us write the object distance. U is equals to, whether we will take it as a positive or negative, negative only. So minus 20 centimeters in front, 20 centimeters in front of it. Whose radius of curvature? He has been given the radius of curvature. So radius of curvature R is equals to, here which mirror we are using? Convex mirror we are using. For convex mirror, focal length is positive. Isn't it or not? For convex mirror, focal length is positive. So radius of curvature is also positive. So how much is being given? 30 centimeters is being given. So plus 30 centimeters it is. Plus 30 centimeters. Therefore, focal length F is equals to R by 2. Already we know the formula. Focal length is half of the radius of curvature. So here how much it will be? 30 by 2 will becomes 15 centimeters. Okay. This is the data given in the question. What is being given in the question? He has given the height of the object is given, object distance given, radius of curvature is given. From the radius of curvature we have found the focal length. And what we have to find in this? Find the position of the image, its nature and size. So position of the image is nothing but image distance we have to find. So which formula we will use here? For finding the image distance, which formula we will use? Mirror formula. Very good. So using mirror formula. What is the mirror formula? 1 by F is equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V. So here focal length already we know 15 centimeters. So 1 by 15 is equals to, object distance is how much? Minus 20. So I am writing minus 1 by 20 plus 1 by V. Can we write?
Sir.
So now what will be? 1 by V is equals to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. Then here, what is the LCM of 15 and 20? 15 and 20. Simply you do here 15, 20. So 5 table. 5 3 is 15. 5 4 is 20. So how much? 5 into 3 into 4. 5 3 is 15. 15 4 is 60. So 1 by V is equals to, the LCM is 60. In 15 table, how many times 60 will goes? 4 times.
Yes, sir.
So 4 plus. In 20 table, how many times it will goes? 3 times. So 3 will be 7 by 60. It will be 7 by 60 centimeters. Therefore, B is equal to what? 60 by 7 centimeters. B is equal to what? 60 by 7 centimeters. So this is the what it is? Image distance or as position of the image. So already we studied earlier that in case of convex mirror, always the image forms behind the mirror, which is virtual, erected and small in size. So we can write here. So the image forms behind the mirror, which is virtual, erected and small in size. So here what we find out, we have finded the position of the image, we have finded, and its nature we have finded. Position of the image is this one and nature is this one. Okay, two things are completed. Again what we have to find? Size. How can we find the size? Using which formula? Magnification formula. So HI by HO is equals to minus V by U, isn't it? Magnification formula HI by HO is equal to minus V by U. We have to find HI. So HI is equal to minus V into HO by U by transposing HO towards the RHS. So here what we will get, mark? Image what we got, 60 by 7 into minus V by U. So minus V is minus 60 by 7. Minus V means minus 60 by 7 into height of the object, how much is given? 5 by height of the image object, how much is given? Minus 20. So minus got cancelled, 21s are 23s are, will be 15 by 7 centimeters. 15 by 7 centimeters means how much, mark? 2 point something we will get. So this is the smaller in size. Once again let us revise this problem. In the given question he has given height of the object as 5 centimeters and the type of the mirror is convex. Object distance is 20 centimeters and radius of curvature is 30 centimeters is been given. So we wrote height of the object HO as 5 centimeters. Object distance as minus 20 centimeters, but for the convex mirrors, focal length is always positive, so radius of curvature is also positive. So radius of curvature R as 30 centimeters. With this we have finded the focal length as R by 2, which is 30 by 2, 15 centimeters. Now we have to find the position of the image. Means we should use which formula? Mirror formula. So using mirror formula, 1 by F is equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V. So 1 by 15 is equals to minus 1 by 20 plus 1 by V. So 1 by V is equal to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. So LCM of 15 and 20 is 60. Therefore in 15 table how many times 60 will goes? 4 times. So 1 into 4, 4 plus in 20 table how many times 60 will goes means 3 times. So 1 into 3, 3. So 4 plus 3 by 60 becomes 7 by 60. Therefore position of the image V is equals to 60 by centimeters. But in convex mirrors always the image will forms behind the mirror, that too virtual, erected and smaller in size. That we know, that's what directly wrote, the image forms behind the mirror which is virtual, erected and smaller in size. And then also he has given to find out the size of the object. Therefore which formula we have used here? Magnification formula. So HI by HO is equal to minus V by U. HI is equals to minus V into HO by U. So minus V is how much? Minus 60 by 7 into 5 by 20. So 21s are 23s are. So 3 into 5, 15, 7 as well wrote. So size of the image is 15 by 7 centimeters. Next, here in the next problem, an object of size 7 centimeter. Again here also he has given height of the object. Again we will say, take height of the object HO is equal to 7 centimeters. He is placed at 27 centimeters in front of a concave mirror. Here concave mirror considered. So object distance U is equals to plus 27 or minus 27? Minus 27. And focal length is 18 centimeter is given, but focal length for concave mirror is always negative. Focal length for concave mirror is always negative. Therefore, focal length F is equal to minus 18 centimeters. Then, what he has given to find for us? At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed so that a sharp image can be obtained? Means, again we are using which formula? Using mirror formula. Using mirror formula. What is the mirror formula? 1 by F is equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V. So we know the values of F. Already we know that minus 1 by 18 is equal to minus 1 by 27 plus 1 by V. With this what can we write? 1 by V is equal to 1 by 27 minus 1 by 18. Here what is the LCM of 27 and 18? 27 and 18 in 3 tables. 3 9s are 3 6s are. Again 3 tables. 3 3s are 2s are. Then what is the LCM here? 3 3s are 9 9 3s are 27 27 2s are 54. LCM is how much? 54. In 27 table, how many times 54 will goes? 2 times. So 1 into 2, 2 minus. In 18 table, 3 times. 18 3s are 54. So this is minus 3. That is equals to minus 1 by 54. Minus 1 by 54. Now, what can we write here? V is equals to minus 54 centimeters can be right. Minus 54 centimeters we can write. So the image forms, where the image forms now? If focal length is 18 centimeters, radius of curvature 36 centimeters, but image we got 54, more than 36 means the image will forms beyond the center of curvature. The image will forms beyond the center of curvature, which type of image it is? Tell me. Already we have studied. Which is real, inverted and magnified. Real, inverted and magnified. Now find the size and nature of the image is given. Nature of the image already we have found. We have to find size. So again Hi by Ho is equals to minus V by U. With this Hi is equals to minus V by U into HO. Can be right? Now what is minus here? V minus of minus 54 by, what is the object distance now? Object distance minus 27 into height of the object, how much amma? 7. So minus minus what answer? 27 ones are 27 twos are. Therefore already minus is there, minus 14 centimeters. Height of the image is how much? Minus 14 centimeters. Once again let us revise this. In the given question, he has given object height of the object as 7 centimeters and object distance as 27 centimeters. Focal length as 18 centimeters. So we have taken height of the object as 7 centimeters, object distance as minus 27 centimeters, focal length as minus 18 centimeters. So by using the mirror formula, we got object distance as minus 54 centimeters. With this, what we wrote, the image will forms beyond the center of curvature and which is real, inverted and magnified. Now we have to find that height of the image. So using the magnification formula, hi by h is equal to minus v by u. With this, we got finally height of the image as minus 14 centimeters.